Dwayne calls out Annmarie and said that he helped her to navigate her YouTube channel, and he also helped her surroundings, which was her kids, to navigate. He further went on to say that she has the audacity. Dwayne said that she should go ahead and look up the word to find out why he chose the word audacity. Stay tuned and watch the video in its entirety to get the full information.
You have an Annmarie, Annmarie. The friggin' audacity of you, the nerve. Notice my title? The audacity. Look up the definition of that word. Then you will understand why I chose that word. Annmarie, I sat on the phone with you for hours, teaching you the things I knew about YouTube, right? Me, Dwayne Fletcher, when the time here in Great Britain is all 1:30 a.m. when it is still evening for you, me staying up, teaching you the things you know about YouTube now. Then you want to have the audacity, nah, cost no bad word, not cost no bad word.